A very good evening to you. Thank you for watching Prime Edition Time to get the latest in the world of business. My name is Betty Kiptum. Kenya plans to increase production of smartphones to 3 million devices annually. Information, Communication and the Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo says the local assembly plant has so far produced 194,000 units with a daily output of 4,500 units. He was speaking at the regional preparatory meeting for the upcoming World Telecommunications Standardization Assembly slated for October this year in New Delhi, India.
Kenya unveiled its first smartphone assembly plant in Nairobi last year to produce low-cost 4G-enabled devices priced at $50. The smartphone assembly plant is part of the government's digital transformation agenda. Information, Communication and the Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary says the target is to increase smartphone production volume to 3 million per year.
This is because in a proactive manner, we foresaw a situation where we may have a deficit in the market in terms of the number of Kenyans who have got access to smart-enabled telephones. So to facilitate universal connectivity or meaningful connectivity for that matter, we envisage that at optimal capacity utilization levels, we should be able to churn out into the Kenyan market about 3 million handsets.
He says over 15,000 government services have been onboarded on the e-Citizen platform. 2,660 public Wi-Fi hotspots have been set up across the country. In addition, fiber optic connectivity is being expanded to unserved and underserved areas.
We speak over the past 1 year, we have managed to roll out a total of 8,419 kilometers against our target of 100,000 kilometers of fiber within the next 5 years.
The ICT experts noted that Kenya needs to keep up with global ICT and telecommunication standards to avoid becoming the dump yard of counterfeit and substandard equipment.
With the short lifespan associated with counterfeits, the threat of e-waste management will ultimately become real and catastrophic.
Key issue for Africa is that we are net consumers of standards. And so our challenge essentially is to ensure that the standards that the equipment that we bring here are those that meet standards in terms of our communications needs.
They were speaking at the regional preparatory meeting for the upcoming World Telecommunications Standardization Assembly slated for October this year in New Delhi, India. Weri Mujenga for Prime Edition.